Hey everyone, it's Tara and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really easy Gel-X nail set with builder gel and ombre French tips. If you're interested in learning how I did this, keep watching. First, I want to show you guys really quick this really handy flash curing light I got off Amazon. So it has a 20-second flash cure and a 60-second option. It has this nice little box it comes in. I've actually kept the box and put it back in after each time I've used it. But here's the lamp. It comes with a USB-C charging cable. Very cute. And there's the little charging cable slot right there. It just has the one button to turn it on, and you push it once for the 20-second and push it twice for the 60 seconds. And the little screen is just so cute to me. And it does come with one of those little 1-foot cords, but you know, they all come with that little thing. And then it comes with these two little rubber tips, I guess, for carrying on stickers or other types of nail arts. So I cannot wait to try it for that. And so you just kind of push it in there like that. And it stays in there really good. And you'll just smash the sticker down into your base coat or whatever you're going to use. And so there's two in case one gets damaged, I don't know. And it also comes with this really cute little stand. And it just stays on because it's magnetic. So I thought I would share this because it's such an upgrade from that bulky pink one that we all have, and I got sent a ton of those over the years. So, and I have used this quite a bit already, so that's why it's like dirty and, you know, but it does work really good. So you just hold your finger under it like that. I do wish the stand was flexible so you could kind of position where you want it a little bit better, but anyways, I also wanted to share this other little item I thought was really cute because it's pink, and my husband actually got it for me. It's a bottle holder, and I could really use this because I do like my products. I like to use them until they're down to the end. And you just put the bottle in there and tilt it so that you can reach the bottom of the bottle, the whatever product is down there, and all the debris that's down there, and glitter and dust and hair. But yeah, it allows you to reach all of that and use your product that you paid for until the very last drop. But isn't it just so cute? And it tilts left and right. Side to side or whatever, back and forth. But look at how convenient that is, and it's just so cute, right? And it just came with this little important notice. Table should be dust free of dirt, or free of dust and dirt and liquids. And so it just kind of lightly suctions on there. This is a wallpaper, so it's not glass or plastic, but it still suctions to the wallpaper, so that's pretty cool. But I thought that was just so cute, and it's pink. So I'm just going to test it out really quick. Got to open the bottle first. There we go. And you just pop it in there, and it's already tilted. And you can reach all the contents down at the very bottom depths of that bottle. And again, like I said, you can get all, especially if it's a top coat, you can get all that glitter and dust and dog hair and whatever else may be you have in your home that ends up all the way up onto your nail desk. Alright, now we will go ahead and do some basic nail prep. I'm just going to push my cuticles back. I already did my thumb the whole way through just to cut down on time. I'm going to use my 𝗖cie drill and this really skinny cuticle bit and just remove some of the old product that's up there and dead skin. I'm going to be using the Apres Gel-X Sculpted Square Medium nails today because I wanted a really square nail shape but not too long. I already got my other sizes out. Now I'm going to use an acid-free primer and etch the inside of the nail to make it sticky so it adheres better. And I'm just going to keep rubbing the inside of it until the brush is not wet anymore. And you'll be able to tell, like you can see on the inside of the tip, the number has disappeared, or it's starting to disappear. And you can see now the number has disappeared, so we should be good to go. So I'm just gonna clean my nails off with some alcohol, and I'm gonna be using a peel off base coat because I plan to take these off in the next day or two. And I will be applying this base coat over my entire nail bed and skipping all other prep. But if you do follow this video and you plan to keep your nails on, make sure to use a dehydrator, that primer, and a normal base coat to get a full 3 to 4 weeks of wear. Taking the Apres gel glue and I'm putting a small amount inside of the tip. I have pretty naturally long nail beds, so most people probably won't need as much as I do. Just try a little bit and wipe it off before you cure it if you have too much and it spills out the sides, or if you didn't have enough and it does not go to the end of your nail bed, then just take it back off and add some more. Now that the tip is ready, I turn my lamp on and I'm going to get the nail positioned a few millimeters away from my cuticle because I'm going to fill that area in after. Now that I have all the tips glued on, I'm going to use the clear Born Pretty rubber base coat. This base coat is literally amazing for this because it's so thick, but it's not too thick because it's not really a builder gel. But I'm going to take a kind of decent amount, you'll see here, and I'm just going to push it up towards my cuticle and just try to fill in that gap. And since it is kind of thick, it's not runny at all. Like a builder gel would be runny. Some would be. And then I'm just going to pull it down to the rest of my nail so that I still have an even coverage. And it just completely fills in that gap and it makes it so seamless and less like a press-on nail. And I just love doing Gel-X nails this way now. And like I said, since it's just a base coat and it's not a true builder gel, You don't really need to file or anything after because it doesn't change the shape of the nail tip. But look at how easy that was. It doesn't look like a press-on nail. It just looks like maybe I had Gel X nails. There is a little spot on the side where I'm gonna add a little bit more gel because I probably should have trimmed the sides of the nail tip first, but next time I'll do that. Because I haven't done this in a while, but the few times I have done it, I really liked how it turned out. So I went ahead and finished the rest of the nails, and you can barely even see where the gap was at. It just looks like an overlay or a builder gel set. It looks so good. Like you can barely see the line of where the nail tip started. I mean, you kind of can, but we're going to be covering it up anyways, but you can't see it. So now I'm going to take a nude color, also from Born Pretty. It's just this light pink tint. It's just enough color to add like a healthy nail bed color, almost like a your nails but better type of color. And I think I have 3 of this one color because I really love this color just because of how natural it is. And so you can see I forgot to use my new little stand this whole time. So I went ahead and put my gel polish in there. And I'm just doing 1 coat of this nude color on each nail because I only want it to be really minimal. Do the ombre, and I'm using an ombre sponge that I forgot to clean prior to recording, and a white gel polish from Born Pretty. And I am terrible at doing ombre nails, but I still think this came out pretty cute for the most part. I mean, they're wearable. No one's gonna be hopefully looking that close or that hard. But I'm just taking a very small amount of the white gel polish at the tip, and I'm just gonna pat it upwards until it's faded. And I'm doing 3 layers on each nail, just like this. Here's what they all look like after 1 layer, and here's what they all look like after 3 layers. I'm gonna go ahead and add a top coat now, and it is really so cute. It really does look all right. I'll say it looks okay. But the only thing is I forgot to shape the tips after I glued them on. You know how press-on nails, they have that little notch thing at the very tip of them, that little square piece thingy. So, and I knew a while ago that I forgot to shape them and like file that piece off, so I decided to wait until after I finished with everything so I wouldn't get any dust on the base coat and the sticky polish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm just gonna take a file and just file that piece off so the nails are completely square and flat, and just touch up the sides just a little bit. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and picked up some useful tips to try for doing your own nails. If you do try this, let me know how it worked out for you. Also, if you have any tips for me on how to do ombre nails, those are highly appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next video.